For Windows 11, you look in the serial, and this here you type the driver download. This why I search official website. This here for official website for Canon. Click here. This why website loading, and this here for system version for Windows, and you select system version for Windows. Click here. This here for Windows 11, Windows 9, Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows 9, and Windows Server support to Windows XP Vista. And this here for your type the driver Mac, select operating system for Mac version. Click here. This here for Mac 12 and Mac 11, and this here the Mac 8, and this here for Linux driver. Click operating system version. This here the version system operation. And this video you will download for the Windows 11. Click the Windows, select operating system for Windows 11. Driver Canon Windows 11 to load, and click here, and this why the driver link. I am recommendation for you. You download package, full package driver and software package for Windows. This hero compatible for package for like the like the operating system. Use like the scan. Use like this printer. Use like the print print Wi-Fi. This here for package driver. This here release update you're looking here for Windows 11. This here for release update, and click package driver setup. Click here for Windows 11. This why this here the outline. This here operating system requirement. This for Windows 11, and your this here the setup instruction for the step one. Your download file. Your for the location where the file is saved, and you click the computer setting, and you double click for the file you download, and setup screen will be displayed below, and the instruction for install the software for the software and the platform your next setting. If you need download, click here. I have ready, and this here button download a show, and you're not click here. This here button download not show. Okay, you click here. This here button download show, and click download. Driver download Windows 11. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you please write the finish driver download. You click run as a driver automatic the cable install your laptop or PC. If you need install Wi-Fi, you search the you connect the printer for Wi-Fi. You search the you click run as. You search the IP driver, and you connect the IP driver. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video.